In front of me is Realme 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme. When it's ready, open it. It has to be from Mad Scientist. Now to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent and hit this gear at the top left corner. Finally, you can manage all of those options however you want to, like selecting one of the available presets and hitting Yes, and managing all of those options. When you're ready, click on this X at the top right corner and on those three lines at the bottom. Then click on Set as Live Wallpaper and click on Yes. Finally, hit Apply to Home and Lock screen and wait, then close your app. As you can see, after that, mine was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!